See if you remember, with Freedom Street around the corner.
Yes.
Let's see.
Okay.
If Addy is ready.
I'm ready. Go on there.
You ready?
Go on there.
Okay, let's go.
I wanna go ahead. Go on there.
So, Portmore my born, there's some art stay, so I'm not paying no toll for cross that causeway.
Mr. Bruce, Mr. PG, this is a question from Addy the DJ.
Emergency.
We have stuff around here.
Around here.
Of course.
Okay, good, good. All right. Me I come for you where you eat and sleep, and me not come for the meet and greet.
Me I come for you where you eat and sleep, and me not come for the meet and greet. Somebody teeth off a meat concrete. You already like real athlete, but you never fast like the steel that beat. Yes. It shine like popcorn. Yes, rough guards and we go for them anyway.
Hey.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Not bad, not bad.
That's a 2 from 2, you know. Right?
Right.
Feet 2.
All right, ready again.
Yes.
Who that all you there? Them have me in a them thoughts. Barbara Gludan, them call and ask. Who is Vybez Kartel?
And they're making recommendation and remarks. Some say me ugly like Boba Sparks. Some say me are the best them come across. Me legal firearm a fiberglass. Son of rush me with a knife or ass. This plus me equal the life of last. Who them say start well?
Kartel!
I'm out.
All right, let's see.
Yes.
She want gangster, she no want silly billy. She want a man with a jackhammer for drilly.
Translator?
Yeah.
Oh, remember the translator part?
Yeah.
Ah, fuck you, man. Yeah.
I caught you there.
Yes,
I caught you there.
yes.
All right, we'll test again.
Yes.
Yo, Assassin, tell your friends say a idiot tune that. My youth, check your facts.
You a DJ from before CD the power works. So like, me walk your car. When Foxy about deep, I'm deep. Yes.
Get money.
Yes.
Get money Friday night. My girl in the bed the night. It clear my fix her like the nightly.
Oh my God. Me no member.
I know you lying. I know you lying. Them can't kill.
Me know this, really. Me know it. Come on, stop it, lady. I know. But me no know why you draw for that through the nightly fix. But me glad on the figure it out. Cause enough people that get that line there, you know, go for them head, you know.
Yeah.
Like cap.
Yeah.
No cap.
No cap.
They go for them head. Do you right? Me fix her like the nightly. Me never know when to pick, you know, when to pick it up.
Yeah, of course.
Sure.
Can't miss we.
And I bet you Harry pick it up.
It was narrow.
Me get the female.
All right. I got it. I'm here, Harry.
Yeah. Jeffy and Harry. Stop it. I'm not feelings me I carry now.
No.
Sorry.
All right, ready again. I have to light it again and out it again. It's like a man a play a rhythm in my head.
You made the place get busy. I'm hearing. Instantly, me ugly no left. Me have to cook up 2 crackers and a dry bread with piece of bun, piece of bulla and a fried egg. And when the kitchen empty, me go on my bed.
All right.
Funny me not stop bun like that. All right. Yes.
All right.
I like that game, yeah.
Yes.
Cause yeah, me know all of me song them.
Make go a little deeper. Not even a Ziggy. That's what the Siggy. When my burn weed, me get hype up like Biggie.
Yes. You win.
You don't remember that song?
You win. You win right this song. So 5-1. You win. 5-1.
Oh God. All right. Two more. Why?
She know it is like a
Manua.
Yes.
My 45 is not the club version nor the dub version. Shop me submerge and done your friends at the ends the conversion.
You win again. I don't like this game.
You don't like
Now
this
I
anymore.
don't like this game.
No.
Shall go to a deep teacher. Management, you put me in a situation here.
It's a large catalog, you know, man.
That's true. No, make you put me down.
All right, easy one.
Shut up.
If you get add in your city that a couple milli US dollars and it cannot fit in your billy.
The DJ, them I never want people see me. What's it? Oh, no. I told you that the
Comment is coming.
Yes, yes.
Tanisha. That's it, guys.